How to share Google Voice with team members. First of all, sign into your Google Admin Console as an administrator. Once you are signed in, go to the Apps section, click on Google Workspace, and then choose Google Voice. Now select Users. Here you can assign voice licenses to individual team members who need access to Google Voice features. Make sure each user has a supported Google Workspace plan and a voice license assigned. After assigning licenses, go back to the Google Voice settings and create ring groups if multiple team members need to answer calls from the same number. Set up the group by adding members and customizing the call routing options. You can decide whether calls should ring everyone at once or follow a specific order. You can also manage voicemail settings, shared numbers, and calling rules from the admin console to streamline your business communication. This feature is especially useful for customer service teams or departments that need to handle calls collectively under one Google Voice number. Now you know how to share Google Voice with team members using a business account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.